Introducing Coral FR, a textile entrance flooring system for rail vehicles. Saving money using Forbo's entrance flooring systems. To allow for the quickest installation of entrance systems, the Coral FR service offering includes cut to size and/or shape, ensures a fitting solution for any vestibule geometry. Innovative installation solutions, to ensure that the floor covering is installed and the train can re-enter operation with minimum delay. Forbo project management services ensure the highest flexibility to meet your demands. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.